What's going on, buddy? Just got to Chinatown. What's going on, Ryan?
TFTI.
So. What's going on?
How are you?
Not too bad. This is Josh.
Hi.
This is his car.
Just a Civic.
How long did it take you to build this?
About 2 years.
2 years?
Just under 2 years.
Just under 2 years?
Here she is.
Oh, so nice. Okay, got a little rad overflow for Mopac. Very nice, very nice. Explain what's going on here. I'm not a Honda guy, I'm sorry.
Well, we've got the ram horn headers. It's basically stock motor, stock ITR motor. Just intake. That's about it. Just welded up all the holes, cleaned up the engine bay.
What about manifold? What kind is this?
K-tuned?
K-tuned exhaust manifold?
Yeah.
Nice. What else is K-tuned? Fuel rail? Everything?
Everything's K-tuned.
How's it going, man? Giuseppe, nice to meet you. Dude, this thing is
Clean
unreal.
it.
Don't let Devin hear that, because I won't make him jealous.
And we're just speaking how he wants an
He's the one that did the work on it, so.
I think he sent me pictures of it when it was in the shop. He's like, man, this thing's going to be unreal.
What do you know, right?
It's awesome. There's like, and I think I told Dustin this a few times, there's like very few cars that you could like pick up and drop in Japan and they would like fit right in. And this thing would like perfectly fit.
Thank you, buddy. Your KDM is great.
Yeah.
Well, let that out there with you guys.
That's unreal.
We did it at home.
Oh, serious?
Yeah, this is done in your garage, right?
I know, right? No, on my engine bay, it's like fucking terrible.
I mean, I couldn't do it, so. No way. This is meticulous. Very nice. So we'll go to the Menace Meet soon?
Yeah, let's go now.
Yeah, let's go now. Right on. Cool.
All right,
Let's
Cool.
go.
who's leading?
I'm all about that priming light.
Sounds so good though. I really wish I could film this thing. If someone could drive my car for me. Oh, turd 1 and turd 2.
Actually, today when you were like, somebody drive my car, I was honestly like, that is the greatest idea ever. I should just do that. Which way are we gonna go? Out?
It's already. I thought it was a gift. YouTube.
Car's on the wrong. Your seat's on the wrong side of the wheel.
There he is.
I'm sorry, last time you were here, right?
Yeah, I was standing there for like 15 minutes, and then I was like,
Oh no, battery's
how
down.
you doing? Pretty good, yeah.
It's so sad. Man, I'm so glad you went speckled both sides.
Okay, here, I'll give you this one too. Oh, thanks, buddy. There you go.
Thanks, Brett. I'll give you some
Subscribe.
cash. To YouTube.
We'll link his channel somewhere. Somewhere.
iTunes.
In a box over there. Or maybe it'll be a box over there. Over here? Over there?
Oh, here, I'll give this one.
Hi! S15's coming along pretty well.
That splitter's really nice.
That splitter went on today, a couple days ago. He's got a rear diffuser on there too now.
Looking good. And another spec.
Later, dudes. Hey, it's Bill. What's going on, buddy?
Not much, you? Hang on.
Hey. Car's coming along.
Yeah?
Swapped an ST into an SE.
Yep. Instead of just buying the real thing the first time around.
That's first in Canada.
Yep.
World?
First in Canada, sixth in the world.
Oh.
Yeah, number 6 in the world right now.
That's awesome.
4 in the States, mine, and then 1 in the UK.
Yep.
And
How's
we
it
did
feel
it.
so far?
Oh, it's awesome.
You did it in how many days?
It was 13 start to finish from driving to driving. It was like a week and a half to have the car complete, and then just a few days to fine tune and get it roadworthy.
But that wasn't entirely in a shop either.
That was in my garage.
In your garage,
Yeah.
yeah.
I took it to a shop just to have a mechanic check over, make sure we did it right.
Yeah.
And otherwise, it was all at home on jack stands with no mechanics.
With no mechanic.
Just a bunch of kids that kind of have experience with it in swaps.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Yeah, and it's fun. It's a totally different car now.
Yeah. How's it feel with Boost now?
It's wicked.
All about that boosted
Oh
life.
yeah. All my
awesome.
neighbors want rides, friends want rides, everyone wants to go for a ride in now and experience it.
It's just unique.
Yeah. Well, they all saw the progress. They just want to see the finished product now. They want to feel it, see what we did.
Oh, doing wheelies now.
Yep. Gas mileage sucks though, just because I'm having too much fun.
Yeah. Yeah, I can imagine.
I
eh?
filled it up 3 times in a week and a half, and it's a Focus.
Impressive.
Yeah.
Impressive. Oh, this isn't a hug. I'm getting humped. Ah!
Fine, don't. All right, this video just went down.
It's whatever material that I see in the shop for. Yeah. I just stack it together. It's the cheapest way I can do it without spending a lot of money. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's hard to keep up with cars.
Dude, I go-
longer than I am. So I mean,
I'm getting new front wheels. They should be here like before November.
Yeah.
Just so that I like feel protected.
What are we
with the
doing?
car. Reveal my new car on our channel, Segoy Garage. Guys, subscribe, okay?
For which one?
Awesome. This engine, man. Like, you and Aaron, like, I wish.
It's, I don't know, it's just so much money and time put into this, and I don't know, I think it's come to a point where I finally,
shit! Is that a trumpet?
I think it's time to just stop now or slow down.
Are you still on air? Or
It's still on, I'm leaving to BC on Monday, and Steve and Begmar, we're redoing my whole air suspension, just so I can actually open my trunk up instead of like not showing.
He did custom headlights on the car. They remind me of like with the Lexus,
Yeah,
like the IS.
I can turn them on.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. That'd be awesome.
This is my headlights actually, I just leave it like this.
Everybody follow him on Instagram, at Kwin.
At Kaylin.
I'll spell it out for you later.
K-Y-W-I-N.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll add it on.
Two eyes.
Oh. 2 eyes.
Oh.
Bye, man.
All right,
All right,
take
man.
care.
Nice meeting
Good
you.
to see you.
Take care.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Drive safe.
Yeah, I'll try.
If it runs.
Awesome.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye, Bill.
Do what he said. Bye. Elbows. There it is.
Okay, bye.